Welcome everybody, it is Claudia with Patchwork with Claudia. Today we are working on the bell buckle block. To make this block we will need 4 squares 3.5 inches color A, 2 squares 3.5 inches color B, 2 squares 3.5 inches color C, 3 squares 4 inches color A, 3 squares 4 inches color B, and 3 squares 4 inches color C. Let's see it how it works. I have all square pieces that I need for this block. Now I need to take 1 square 4 inches color A, color B, and color C, and cut them diagonally to form 2 triangles. I will use the 2 triangles from color A, but from color B I only will use 1 triangle, and for color C I will use only 1 triangle as well. So let's do that part. Maybe move this one here and cut here. And take one part of the dark fabric and do the same process. So I have here now my triangles, color A, color B, and color C. Now it is time to make the half square triangle sections. We take the 2 squares color A and draw a diagonal line, and 1/4 of an inch on each side we draw another line. We are going to sew on the outside lines, and then we are going to cut on the middle line. After we have the lines, what we need to do is take 1 square color A and put with 1 square color B, and then 1 square, the other square color A, with 1 square color C. And we need to do the same to draw the lines on the other light fabric, that in my case is fabric C, and we take the last 4-inch square color B and put on the top the last square 4 inches color B, color C. Now it's time to sew on the diagonal lines. So let's do this process. We are going to join here square color A and color B. Now it is time to join square color A and color C. Now we are going to join squares B and C. we need to press and cut, and then we are going to obtain 6 sections. After we cut, we are going to obtain 6 sections of our block here with these pieces. Now we are going to join the triangles. So we take one triangle color A and one triangle color B, and we are going to join them. We align them very well, and we are going to join them sewing a 1/4 inch. I already marked here my 1/4 inch seam allowance, and we take one triangle color A and one triangle color C, and we are going to do the same process. Let's join the triangles. Now it is time to press my triangles and open them, and press my squares, cut, and then press again to open them. Now we have all sections ready to start assembling our block. We lay out the block and start sewing them row by row. Let's continue join our rows. We line the fabrics very well. And continue sewing. Here we are going to complete our 4th row. let's see what we have so far. So let's lay out the block again. This row goes this way. The second row goes this way. The third row goes this way. And the fourth row goes this way. Now we need to press and then we join the rows. I have all my rows ready. Now it's time to join them. We are going to join first row and second row. To do that, I am going to nest my seams together with some pins. I organize here my fabrics and I put some pins in the middle. And here on the other seam. Now it is time to nest my seams for the third and fourth row. And let's start sewing. Now let's join rows 3 and 4. Now it is time to join these two pieces. Let's nest the seams over here. It moves. Let's nest them again. Here on the other side. And start sewing again. Let's see what we have. Here is our ending block. Now we need to press it very well and we will be done. Here is our ending block. It is 12.5 inches. I invite you to practice it, subscribe to my channel, share the videos and give me thumbs up. See you next time here in Patchwork with Claudia. Bye.